Hey there! Want to sell Zoom consultations on your WordPress site easily? Our WooCommerce Bookings makes it simple. No more juggling DMs, chasing payments, or accidentally double booking yourself. Set your available time slots, get paid instantly, and boom, a Zoom link is automatically sent to you and your client. Okay, before we get into the setup, let's make sure you have the basics sorted out. You need to have WordPress and WooCommerce installed and activated. Then you need to install and activate the WooCommerce Bookings add-on. You can find this on the WooNinjas website. Following that, the WooCommerce settings will have a new bookings area. It becomes thrilling at that point. Step 1. Link WooCommerce Bookings to Zoom. Now, for the exciting part, integrating Zoom so that a Zoom meeting link is automatically created each time a session is scheduled. This is what you must do. Navigate to the WooCommerce Bookings Settings Integrations tab. You'll see two fields asking for your Zoom client ID and client secret. To get these, head over to the Zoom app marketplace at marketplace.zoom.us. Click Build App and choose the General App option. Once created, make sure the User Managed option is selected. Now, you'll see your client ID and client secret. Just copy them and paste them into the fields in your WooCommerce booking settings. Then copy the redirect URL from your WooCommerce site and paste it into the Zoom app settings. Next, scroll to the Scopes area and add these three items: Zoom app, in meeting, reading, write. Now, click Add App Now and grant the required permissions. Finally, go back to the Integrations tab, click Save Configuration. Next, click Connect with Zoom, and then grant permission to the application to connect to your site. And that's it. You are now linked. A special Zoom meeting link will now be generated and automatically provided each time a customer schedules a session. Step 2. Develop your bookable product. Now, let's develop your consultation product. Navigate to Products, add New in your WordPress dashboard. Give it a name, such as Virtual Nutrition Session. Next, change the product type from Simple Product to Bookable Product. Under Booking Options, choose Appointment/Consultation/Virtual. Add the start date, end date. Set the time to 60 minutes. If you would like, you can also add buffer time to your session if you'd like to take a break between client sessions. Then, in the Location tab, set location type to Virtual/Online. Choose Zoom as your virtual platform. Select the link generation type to Automatic. Lastly, enter your working hours, e.g. Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. under Availability. Next, select the pricing option and determine the consulting fee, maybe $150 per session. Once your Zoom offering is live and ready to sell, click Publish. Step 3. Test your booking workflow. Let's give it a brief try. Visit your product page, choose a time slot, and complete the checkout process. Guess what happens after the payment is verified? The Zoom meeting link is sent to the consumer via email right away. Additionally, the time slot instantly becomes available again if you cancel or refund the reservation. You can even drop the shortcode user bookings on any page to let users view all their upcoming and past consultations. Pretty cool, right? Everything runs automatically: bookings, payments, reminders, and Zoom links thanks to our WooCommerce Bookings add-on. Real-time calendar updates prevent double bookings, making it easy for customers to book, pay, and get their Zoom link instantly. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and comment with the consultations you plan to offer.